Hi, I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you test questions on functions. We need to find domain and range of following functions. They are very similar, both are square root, with inside function being slightly different. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now let's begin with A, which is f of x equals to square root of 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. Now for square root function, we know that 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 should be greater than or equal to 0. Alright, so that is the basic thing which we need to solve. Now here, the quadratic function can be factored. We can find product and sum, product of minus 2, sum of minus 3. So that is minus 4 and 3. So 4 times 1 can work, right? So we could write this as 2x squared minus 4x plus x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Taking 2x common from first two factors, we get x minus 2, and we do have x minus 2 as the last two terms. Now x minus 2 can be taken common, so we get 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now when is it positive? Now the best way to solve such questions is to just graph, right? So we know the zeros for this. We have 1 0 at x equals to 0 and the other one at x equals to minus half, correct? So these are the two zeros. A parabola represents quadratic function, so we could sketch parabola going upwards, x equals to 2, I'm sorry. So at minus half and 2, so something like this. Well, from here you can clearly see, well, this point is minus half and this is 2. The positive part is to the left side of minus half and right side of 2. So that becomes the domain of the function, right? So we can now write domain is x belongs to real numbers where x is less than or equal to minus half or x is greater than or equal to 2, right? So that becomes the domain. For a square root function, range is greater than or equal to 0, right? So it is y belongs to real numbers where y is greater than or equal to 0. Now you can follow similar strategy to answer part B. You can still pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestions. Now here again, we are looking for square root of x minus 2 should be greater than or equal to 0. That means absolute value of x should be greater than or equal to 2. Now that really means that either x is less than or equal to minus 2 or x is greater than or equal to 2, right? So that becomes the domain of g of x. So in this case, domain is x being less than or equal to minus 2 or x is greater than or equals to 2. You could also write this as where x belongs to real numbers, right? And the range, as we know, for a square root function is y belongs to real numbers where y is greater than or equal to 0. Okay? So that is how you could actually find domain range for square root functions. Now this is a very popular question. I hope the solution helps you. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that would be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.